In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to disable the repost your videos feature on TikTok. So if I just open up TikTok and I tap on the share button of this specific post, you'll see the repost button there. If you don't want that to appear on your TikTok videos, now this is kind of like a lame update from TikTok. Well, the way to remove it is kind of lame because it's not very useful. If I just go to my inbox right now and I go to my notifications, then I go from TikTok and then I go to account updates, and let me just find it here. So it says here, if you read this specific notification that I received 1 week ago, it says TikTok will allow others to repost or recommend your videos. You can change the setting anytime by limiting the audience for this video to only me. So that kind of defeats the purpose of just removing that one singular feature from your videos. You actually have to make your TikTok video private for this to happen, which is totally pointless in my opinion. But that's what TikTok says on how to do it. And I haven't seen an option within the settings of my TikTok account to be able to actually remove the repost on your videos. But that's what TikTok states, and that's what the method that you would need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.